Yo, what's up guys? It's Billy and Anthony back on the channel. Welcome back to the S2K guys. Anthony's gonna tell you about a little bit what we have for you guys in store.
What's up y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be installing the Heeltoe Automotive single bumper cap. We installed the HKS high power single exit. So I kind of didn't like how the OEM bumper had the other muffler on the driver's side open for the muffler port. So this Heeltoe Automotive came out with this idea of a bumper cap that you can just put on and it makes it a cleaner look. So super excited to get it on. We're gonna get ready and install that. So we'll show you how it goes and hope you guys like it. Hey, what's up guys? This is Anthony from the S2000 guys. So today we're gonna be installing the Heeltoe Automotive single exit bumper cap. So this actually came, it was gray primered. I ended up painting it gloss black at first. It looked pretty good, but it wasn't to my liking, so I sanded it down and used this plastic dip black paint. As you can see, it's like a satin. So I think it came out pretty well. And we're gonna go ahead and install it onto the bumper. So you can see, we got the HKS high power single exit. It's a 3-inch from the test pipe back, and I think the single exit bumper cap will add the little finishing touches to the rear end. So let's get started and we'll show you how it goes. All right, so I just cleaned up both on the bumper and on the cap with rubber and alcohol. This is where the double side tape's gonna adhere. So you just want to make sure it's clean so the tape will stick. Do this on the cap and on the bumper. Alright, so we got the double side tape that came with the kit installed, and this is where you want to put them on the edges of the bumper cap, just like so. And now we're ready to install it and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so we got it secured on. There's 2 self-tapper screws that are on each corner of the thing, and then these OEM clips just clip right in. So we had to heat up the tape, help let it adhere better.
Hey guys, we just got this Heeltoe bumper cap installed. Finally a nice and simple, quick, easy install. So Anthony, let them know.
Yeah, so like I said, it was fairly simple and easy. They provide you with everything you need. We got it on and it looks phenomenal. Super happy with Heeltoe Automotive, so hope you guys like the video. And please like, subscribe, comment, and show us some love. We're the S2K guys and
Love to be here.
see you on the next one.
Yo, you never seen a rear diffuser like this in your entire life?
What the fuck you talking about,
This
bro?
is a great, I'm gonna